This job for senior cloud engineer is at Medallia in Sydney, Australia. Medallia is a software development company and a pioneer and market leader in customer, employee, citizen, and patient experience. Medallia Experience Cloud is mission critical system of record that makes all other application customer and employee aware. Now, for this job role, you would need at least 5 years of demonstrated experience with Java, Python, or any other similar language. Plus, you should be good in Bash scripting. You should also have some Docker experience or any other container technology. And if you have CI/CD experience in depth, that is always valuable, especially Jenkins for this job role. You should also have hands-on experience working on all the steps in the software lifecycle. You should bring an ownership mindset with an orientation to detail and quality. So, if you have done this and if you have worked in an environment where you have done continuous integration and deployment, building high quality software, and if you know some know-how about developing applications with Spring Framework, I think you should be suited with this job role. So if you like the sound of the company and the job role, go to Medallia's website and apply directly from there. Thank you very much.